In this video we are going to talk about the best car vinyl wrap in this year, which is 3M 1080 carbon fiber black air release vinyl wrap. We will be going over the special key features of this product, and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Get the complete wrapping experience with the 3M Complete Wrap Kit. Included in the kit is a roll of 3M carbon fiber vinyl, cut to the length of your choice, which is a durable, scratch-proof, removable, dual-cast film designed for bold colors in vehicle detailing, decoration and full wrap projects. This film's pressure-activated adhesive allows it to slide and be repositioned until firm pressure is applied, allowing for the greatest ease of installation. Also, the acrylic-based, air release channels assure fast, easy and virtually bubble-free installations. In addition, this item also includes a vinyl wrapping toolkit with everything you need to complete any project. This kit features a 3M Blue Applicator Squeegee, the perfect hand applicator solution for any of your tape and vinyl application needs. This squeegee is both durable and flexible to contour curved surfaces. In addition is a yellow multi-purpose detailer squeegee for tough wrap jobs and small details. Also included is two removable felt tips designed to fit the squeegee. These felt tips have a suede finish that is designed to last and reduce the risk of scratching even the most delicate textured vinyls. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.